Hi, welcome to Pointerpro Report Builder. In this video, we will see how you can configure a pie chart. To add pie chart to your report, go to Chart Widgets, find Pie Chart, and drag and drop it on the canvas. Immediately, pie chart settings will pop up. Here you can configure data items, chart title, and select different chart options. To see how you can configure pie chart, let's look at the example we already have. Here, we added 4 data items. Those will be slices of your pie chart. For each data item, you need to give a label that will be shown in the legend. You need to add a value. It can be a static number or a variable added via menu. And please assign it a color. Repeat it 4 times. Then give your chart a title and select different configurations. Save and close. This is how our chart looks like. If we want to change it, we can also visualize it as a donut, and we see that it immediately changes. Now let's look how the chart will look in 3D. Great, it immediately changes its appearance. You can also configure additional settings for your chart. Simply click on it and go into Settings. Here you will find your chart ID, chart name. You can add conditional rules. For example, when you want to show or hide chart based on a certain condition. You can also apply margins to make your chart bigger or smaller, added background color, and configure the settings for the title and for the label font sizes. For example, we want to make our title bigger, so we set it to 25. We see that it immediately resizes. When you click on your chart once, you also see that it's highlighted in blue and the menu appears in the upper right corner. This allows you to move your chart on the page, copy it, or delete it. Now try adding your own pie chart.